Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And, well, it's really afternoon. I don't know why I said morning. But anyway, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to make a keto hamburger bun that you can make in 90 seconds in the microwave. I forgot where I got this from, but if I can remember, I'll link it below. The first thing I need is it says to use a little bowl like this, so I hope this is not too big. It may be too big, but I've got this super fine blanched almond flour, and you need 3 tablespoons of that. Alright, so there's 1. Here's 2. And here's 3. 3 tablespoons of almond flour. Now I need a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I just have a teaspoon, so I'm going to have to... That right there should be a half. Alright, so that's going in here in my little bowl. Alright, and now I'm going to take my whisk and whisk it up really good. Make sure there's no big things, clumps of almond flour. And I want it mixed up really, really good. I just love my little whisk. Don't y'all like it? I love it. When I go to Walmart, my thrill is going through the aisle that's got all the kitchen utensils in it at Walmart. Alright, so I've got this mixed up really good. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to need is 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And I'm using this coconut cooking oil, unflavored. I hope that's going to be okay. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil in here. Oops. And then a half. I hope that's a half. Alright, and then 1 egg. Alright, and now you can see down in here, I'm going to mix this up really well. It says beat it like you're making an omelet. If this is any good, I'm going to... I don't know what I mean, this is so easy to make if it's any good. I'm going to get it out of the microwave and cut it in half and put some butter on it and heat it up in the frying pan. It says that what does it say? They usually, this person, ever who it was, I need to write these on my printouts, who it is when I do it, because this one I just printed out. Alright, so, and it says they usually toast there, so I might toast it. But I'm going to go on and put this in my microwave, which is right beside me over here. I'm going to put it in my microwave for 90 seconds, and I'll bring you back when I get back. I mean, when it's done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I can see now why you need to toast it. Because it's really white. I don't know what this is going to taste like, but I'm going to run my knife around this, and then I'm going to put it, okay, yeah. Okay, how cool. Alright, now I'm going to cut it in half. I really need a bread knife. And Regina's going to put this in the toaster for me. Can y'all see this? Yeah. Regina's going to put this in the toaster for me while I fix I got to heat up the hamburgers here and the fried onions, and I'm going to see what this tastes like. I did the mushroom burger yesterday, and it was just so messy. Oh, wow, it's just like bread. It is just like bread. It has, I don't know what kind of, it smells a little like cornbread, but just a little bit. All right, so Regina's going to put this in the in the toaster, and I'm going to fix the hamburgers, and I'll bring you back when the hamburger gets ready. Okay, here's the bun after it was toasted, and it's just amazing. I can't wait to taste this. All right, so I'm going to put mayonnaise and mustard. Here's the hamburger that I'm putting on it. I've got tomato and lettuce and fried onions, and I'm going to take a picture of it, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to take a bite of this monster burger here and see what this tastes like. Oh my gosh. Just like a bun. A little bit different texture, but with the mayonnaise and the mustard and tomato and lettuce and onions on there. Wow, it is really good. All right. I gotta take another bite just to convince myself that this is as, oh wow. All right, y'all. This has got to be amazing. I haven't had any bread since August the 21st. Anything that's even remotely like it. All right. This is it. This is all I'm going to be eating. Hamburgers. No, there's so many possibilities with this. I can make sausage and egg and tomato biscuits. Bacon and egg and tomato biscuits. Wow. There is so much that can be done with this. If you're doing keto, you've got to try this. You saw how easy it is. That is amazing. And Regina put it in the toaster for maybe, while I was heating up the hamburger and stuff, for maybe a minute and a half, something like that. Which it could have been toasted more, but it's still an awesome, awesome bun for my hamburger. Wow. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and please try this. This is just amazing. All right, I'm going to eat my hamburger that I haven't had in, August, September, almost 2 months now. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.